How to use the app library on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So the app library is a neat way of organizing all the apps that are on your iPhone, and the Apple software does it pretty nice. And you can see all the apps that have been categorized into different sections like suggestions, recently added, social, utilities, photos and video. And yeah, you can access each one of these apps just by tapping on them. But if there are subcategories of smaller icons, you will have to press on them, and that's it. You can now access them individually, and it is a pretty neat feature in my opinion. And also, let's say you want to remove an app from your home screen. All you have to do is tap or long press the app, and you can click on remove app, and there will be a bunch of options like delete app, remove from home screen, or cancel. Just press on remove from home screen, and once you do that, it will automatically come into the app library. So it is a good way of hiding apps from the home screen. But if you want the app back on the home screen, you will have to go into the app library and long press on the app that you have recently removed from your home screen, and then you can just tap on add to home screen, and that's it. The app will be back, and that is how you can efficiently use the app library. These were just some of the ways you can customize or make sure that the usage of app library is particularly better working for you. So whatever works for you, you use it that way. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.